Hello there, my name is Petrus Nayoma, and in this short segment we are going to explain the difference between a bitmap and a vector design. So what is the difference between a bitmap and a vector design really? Well, it's quite simple. A bitmap, when you zoom into it like on a huge scale, it starts to lose quality and becomes pixelated. As you can see the pixels which are along the edge and your image becomes really blurry, which means that you are limited if you are looking for a high quality image. Now, bitmaps are normally either in PNG format or JPEG format, whereas a file which is with a vector, as you can see, it looks super crisp because it's not created with pixels but with mathematical points. So when you zoom in as such, you can see that the design does not lose its quality at all. This is very useful when you're designing content or logos which are going to be used on billboards, or when you want them to be used for car branding or to be scaled out in sizes. So that is a huge note for you to take on today, that whenever you get your content from a designer, they must give you an SVG file as well as the EPS or the AI file, so that you will be able to edit your logo in future. Now, we hope that you like that. So like and subscribe onto our channel to find out more tips, and keep an eye out for Will Hit. We put it down in the comments box. Yeah, we hope you like and subscribe. Cheers.